In 2018, Queen's University proudly launched 2 new programs in biomedical informatics, which are collaborations between the School of Computing and the Department of Biomedical and Molecular Sciences. The goal of these programs are to train future data scientists to transform data into information and knowledge, which will undoubtedly transform how healthcare is provided and delivered in the future.
Hi, my name is Brithka Vilvarajan.
My name is Katya Dunetz.
My name is Danielle Morrison.
My name is Emma Van Lerberg, and I am a current student in the Biomedical Informatics program here at Queen's University. I would say that this program has met my expectations and then some. From a summer doing 4 courses with 4 extremely educated professors and supervisors, I was able to learn invaluable knowledge about big data, healthcare, research methods, data mining, etc.
The programs are aimed at students who have prior training in biology, biochemistry, life sciences, medical sciences, or another related discipline. These are students who are interested in acquiring new skills in quantitative and computational methods for managing and analyzing biomedical datasets. The graduate diploma program begins in May and spans 3 months total. During this time, students take a series of 4 courses worth 3 credits each. Students who successfully complete the diploma program have the option of laddering this coursework into a master's diploma. The master's degree spans 12 months total. It consists of the diploma program in addition to 2 elective courses, and then students also complete a graduate project, research project that is worth 6 credits.
The interdisciplinary and applied nature of this program, as well as the opportunity to learn from leading researchers in the field of biomedical informatics, has been very rewarding. Overall, I believe that this program has taught me the foundations in the summer component and has also helped me pave my own path based on the research project and courses that I've taken.
The skills that our students gain in computational methods and data analytics are highly sought after for exciting careers in medicine, research, and in industry.
I saw that it's really following the trend in the future is technology, so it will prepare me for a job in technology and help me get practical skills that are translatable to the workplace.
As of June, I'm starting as a junior data science consultant at an information management company where I can work with clients in the healthcare industry to improve their data needs.